In this demo, we'll explore Quipley's dispatch feature, where you can manage daily deliveries and pickups with speed and clarity. Dispatch offers two views, calendar and list. You can switch between them by using the icons in the top right corner, as shown here. In the calendar view, you get a real-time visual schedule of your team's day. On the left, tasks are organized into three categories: unassigned deliveries, unassigned pickups, and overdue. Each task card includes key details and can be dragged and dropped onto the calendar to assign a driver. Clicking a scheduled task opens the dispatch details panel, which will show you whether the order is coming in or going out, whether the delivery or pickup has been scheduled, and the reservation and payment status. From here, you can review product and customer details, confirm addresses and phone numbers, see how far the destination is from your shop, adjust delivery times, and assign or change the driver using the drop-down. This is also where the driver experience connects directly to dispatch. The delivery address is clickable. Clicking the address will open Google Maps with instant directions to the destination. When drivers tap Complete Delivery, the status is updated across your system in real time. There's no manual follow-up needed. In List View, Dispatch presents a streamlined table of upcoming orders, including customer name, contact info, delivery or pickup type, addresses, scheduled times, and assigned drivers. You can set delivery times and assign drivers directly from the table, making it easy to keep tasks moving quickly. You can filter your orders by location, driver, or delivery type, helping you zero in on exactly what needs attention. With Dispatch, you have a single streamlined system to plan, assign, and adjust every delivery and pickup, all in real time.